Alright, so the room is cold, but we got blankets, and we got this, we got my iPad, got my phone, everything's all charged up, we still got a TV, we still got this. Hey, Benny? What's up, SpongeBob? What are you doing? Oh, well, just getting ready, because some people are freaking out over the snowstorm. I'm not really freaked out, but I know we're just gonna be inside the whole time, but I'm not too worried about the snowstorm. I'll just make sure we have everything. Like what? Well, just like some snacks and foods and drinks. We don't need like a flashlight or anything like that. I'm pretty sure the power's not gonna go out. Oh yeah. Why are people freaked out over the snow day? Well, they're just afraid that they'll get snowed in. I mean, this isn't COVID all over again. Even though that was like 6 years ago. That's pretty crazy, that was 6 years ago. And it's already halfway to January. It's like this year went by quick. Just like that. But anyways, like, it's not like how it was when COVID, the pandemic came out. And like, oh wait, you probably don't know what that is because you were underwater. But that's when like the schools were canceled or because of like a virus and we all had to stay home from school, blah, 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 blah. It's a lot of story to explain, I'll tell you later. But people just freaked out because they think that they're going to get snowed in. And the thing that's pretty crazy is that some people are buying like 20 gallons worth of milk and like so many eggs. Like, what if the power goes out? I mean, yeah, that could actually happen. Yeah, some people are just ridiculous. Buying all this milk. I mean, it's crazy. Besides, we don't even need all that milk. And they already canceled church for tomorrow, so we're not going to probably be able to go. No, wait, we're not going to be able to go. I just realized that. Besides, they already canceled school for Monday, so we get a 3-day weekend. So we can just have 3 days of doing absolutely nothing. There's some people who start to go to work out in this weather. So what do we need to do? Well, kind of a snowstorm survival. We just gotta make sure we have everything. Well, I'm gonna go check to see if we do. So, I'll be right back. Okay, Benny. Man, some people in the South Shore are crazy about this snowstorm. See if we have everything. Okay. She'll last me all weekend. Oh, yeah. Especially those strawberries and... especially those strawberries and cucumbers and whatnot. Hey, shoo. Get out. Cats. I think we have a electric heater. Or a heater, I don't know why I called it that. We have a heater. There's just no heat in my room. Let me go see. There's a heater. This is to the washer. You gotta keep it there. I got blankets. I know how to keep warm. Let's go back upstairs. Okay, SpongeBob. It is 7 degrees right now. But it says right here there's a 100% chance there will snow tomorrow. Alright, Benny. So yeah, that's pretty much how it is today. We're just staying inside all day. I mean, my dad's not working all weekend, which is good. And we don't have school all weekend. And like I said, they just called up school for Monday, so we don't have school on Monday either. But this is how it would be. It's only showing here that it's only going to snow on Sunday. It's not showing up for Monday, but they've already canceled school for Monday, like I just said. Hey, SpongeBob, what's that you got there? Oh, it's just a list that I made. Oh. A bedroom, food, drinks, snacks, power, blankets, charger, stay indoors and stay warm. Oh, yeah. I mean, that technically is a survival list. And I think the iPad's about to just black out, but it's... I don't even know. But yeah, that's another thing to do. You just gotta stay safe and stay warm. That's all we could do. Is just stay inside. Like, there's something else for us to do anyways. I mean, yeah, that is true. And, yeah, it sucks, but it is a little cold in here, but we all found out ways to keep warm. Like I said, it's only halfway into January. We only got one more week. This year's gonna go by pretty quick, SpongeBob. And some people out there think that January went by so slow, or goes by slow. No, it doesn't. It goes by too quick. Yeah, I agree with you, Benny. It's like 2025 was just yesterday. Exactly. Some people are still crazy getting all that milk. I mean, yeah. I know you want a lot of milk, but that's like 20 gallons, and then you're not even going to drink all that before it even expires. Like, just get powdered milk. Like, why didn't they just get powdered milk instead of... I don't know. They probably wouldn't even think of powdered milk, but still, just get powdered milk instead. We don't even have that much milk. We only have like 2 gallons of milk. I mean, yeah, you don't need that much milk. Exactly. Well, SpongeBob, we'll just see how it goes tomorrow. I mean, yeah, it is going to be pretty bad, but we'll just stay inside. We'll be fine. Yeah. Still surviving, SpongeBob. Yes, we are. It's pretty bad out there. Yes, it is, Benny. We still got plenty of snacks, too. So, yeah. Like I said, there's no school tomorrow, which is Monday. Sucks that some people still have to work, though. Yeah. At least we don't have to go to school.